Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will take a look at how to slow down your voice in Elevenlabs. So let's just go right on ahead and log into our Elevenlabs right here, and then let's go ahead and create some form of audio. So say for example, I have this set up to Steven, and this is in a default voice settings right here, and I want to go ahead and generate this text. So hello there, my name is Adam, or my name is let's change this to Steven. I hope you have a fantastic day. So I've already generated this right here. So if we go right on ahead and play this.
Hello there, my name is Steven. I hope you have a fantastic day.
So that's around about 4 seconds long. And for us to go ahead and slow this down, then just go ahead and play around with the voice settings right here. So let's say for example, let's increase the stability up, and then let's change the style exaggeration a little bit more. And then if we go ahead and generate this, we can take a look at how.
Hello there, my name is Steven. I hope you have a fantastic day.
So it's still a little bit almost the same. However, as you can see, there's more exaggeration to it. So if we're gonna go ahead and increase this a bit more like this, and let's go ahead and generate once again.
Hello there, my name is Steven. I hope you have a fantastic day.
Then as you can see, there's more again exaggeration to it. Now if we want to go ahead and make this even longer, then just go right on ahead and add in some colons or some full stops on this. So say for example right here, hello there, let's change this to 3 dots, my name is Steven, 3 dots, I hope you have a fantastic day. Right there. Then let's just go ahead and generate once again, and let's go ahead and hear what this sounds like.
Hello there, my name is Steven. I hope you have a fantastic day.
Now as you can see, there's more pauses to it. So that's how one of the things that you can do to go ahead and slow down your voice in here. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is, say for example, let's go ahead and download this audio right here, and then we can use an audio editor. So say Audacity or Adobe Audition or even CapCut. There are some options there for you to be able to prolong or make your voiceover longer in there. And finally, if you want to go ahead and use a different audio model, you can go ahead and do that. Say for example, let's use Emily right here, and then let's change this to V1. So let's say Emily, and let's go ahead and click on generate.
Hello there, my name is Emily. I hope you have a fantastic day.
And as you can see, this one is a little bit slower as well. So just go ahead and play around with all of this, the voice settings, the different voice styles that you have. And also if you want to, just go ahead and edit this on a different software. And there you go. I hope you have found the tutorial as well. See you guys next time.